It looks like we got a blizzard at the end of the month here. March 31st, 2008. Big old blizzard. I'm going to step outside. I don't know if you can see the snow. It's still coming down. It's been coming down since last night. You can probably hear the wind blowing. Yeah. Mother Nature wanted to get one last thing in for us here. Seems like whenever the snow is just about gone, we get it back. You can hear the wind blowing. Snow it's everywhere. This will be fun in the morning. Who knows when this will even finish. Camera's getting all full of snow just standing out here. I had a fun time walking back and forth to campus. Anyway, I'm gonna go inside and up. Yuck.